This is my new toy, a pressure washer. So I can use this to clean the house. So it will be clean the roof, the wall, the car. Maybe I will shower my husband on this so that he will be good. And my kids, maybe. And it's easy to clean for this because it will remove everything. Maybe your skin will remove if you shower this. So I love my husband. He keep buying what I like. I love gadgets. And I'm always thankful for him. And I want to open this, but I don't know how to fix it. So I will wait when he's home to fix it. Bye, guys. Okay. Yay! My new toy. It's like a stroller.
We need to fix up a bunch of that stuff and give him a bath. Look at his tail even.
Yay! What is that?
Instruction manual
Manual?
and everything else.
No computerized. Garbage. Oh, that is the gun. Garbage. Oh, another gun. Why is needed like that? Ah, that is the spray. That is nice to use shower hand. Right? If you are bald, you will be skeleton. How about Blackie? You wanna shower my toy? Blackie? This is my new toy. Yeah, you're the first one customer. Blackie? Yeah. I'm excited to get shower on that. Ah, pwede ni siyang itibis o mamumbas mangga. That is nice and to spray in mango. Wow, it's a long gun. Right?
We need to tighten that down.
Okay. What was this? A pump?
Yeah, okay.
Hmm,
Supper's
dami
over
ito.
with.
Oh wow, that's heavy. You need help? I think so. We are Incredible Hulk. Okay. Yeah. What is this? Eating plastic. This is the hose. Wow! Oh, the mosquito is here. What's that?
Add
Add
oil.
engine oil below. Cooking oil? Need cooking oil, huh? Shower. Stroller style.
Mom,
Yes, I'm your mother.
Ella's asleep.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can I stay outside?
There's many mosquito.
I like to do it together.
Yeah, but many mosquito na. Look at my new stroller.
Together.
Mm-hmm. Old yellow is there. This is the first one price, first one, second choice. What?
Food, okay?
There's no the best of the best over there. Huh? No other choice. Huh? What's this color? Red. Some stoplight. Red, orange, green, white, black.
Hey, oh, yeah.